They say it's better to be proactive rather than reactive, right? What started as just a phrase quickly turned into reality during the last few years. We saw as industries worldwide were left scrambling to keep up with the demand as the supply chain grinded to a halt. And for shops like yours, the consequences were even more dire. You already have the usual pile of work, but now need to be extra diligent about preventative maintenance and overall repairs. Breakdowns need to be avoided at all costs, because if one occurs, replacing parts, let alone an entire HGV, may take months, if they're even available at all. You deserve a solution that makes it easier to alleviate unnecessary burdens and empowers you to manage supply chain issues by being proactive, not reactive.